In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your spreadsheet data into the right place in your workspace and map it cleanly to ClickUp fields. Before we start, have your CSV ready with clear column headers like task name, description, due date, and any custom fields you plan to use. Consistent formatting helps a lot, especially for dates and drop-down style values. Open your browser and go to the ClickUp login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you're already signed into your browser, you'll see your Google accounts. Pick the account you use with ClickUp to proceed. If your organization has single sign-on policies, make sure you're using the approved account. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the upper left corner and click your workspace name to open the main menu. From there, head into Settings. This is where you'll manage admin options and, for today, your import tools. In the Settings menu, find Imports/Exports. Click that to access the import dashboard. Choose Spreadsheet as the source. This tells ClickUp you're bringing in a CSV or similar file rather than migrating from another platform. Next, select the space or location where you want the data to land. Think this through before you continue. Importing into the correct space or list keeps your tasks organized from day one. If needed, decide whether the data belongs in a specific folder or list within that space so it's easy to filter and report on later. When you're confident about the location, click Continue. Now click Upload File and select your CSV. You'll see a preview so you can confirm the columns and sample rows look right. This is the crucial part. Map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding ClickUp fields. Match your task name to the task title field, description to description, and due date to the date field. If you have assignees or other attributes in your CSV, map them as well and align any custom columns to existing custom fields in ClickUp. If a field doesn't exist yet, decide whether to map it to a new custom field so you keep all your data. Double-check date formats are consistent and avoid merged cells or stray commas in the CSV that could shift columns. Take a moment to review the mapping carefully. A quick scan now can save cleanup later. When everything looks correct, you're set to proceed with your import and start using your tasks in ClickUp right away.